Hello crafty friends, you're watching Cardz TV with Mary, and my friend Linda has done it again. Linda is a close to my heart consultant, and she has sent me 2 more Workshop Your Way kits from close to my heart, and I'm going to show them to you today. They are both so much fun. Now this first one is called Gimme Some Sugar. And just like with the Chelsea Gardens kit I showed you, it comes with this pamphlet that shows you how to do layouts and cards. And the first page tells you the size to trim off the borders at the top of the papers. And then inside, we have cutting guides for all the different papers in the kit. And then we have some layouts. And it shows you exactly how to put them together. So cute. And then we look back here, and here are some optional cards you can make. And it also tells you how to cut your paper for these. If I can get this page to turn, there we go. And how to put these cards together. Those are really cute. Now let me show you what's in this kit. It comes with some really cute ribbon. This is white and it's got like a teal stitching. And look at this. These are cork shapes. Let's see if I can get these out. I should have already taken all this out of the little bags. Here we go. But these are just the cutest little cork shapes. Look at that, guys. You get 2 pages of them. We've got large and small hearts and little flowers. And here's some more flowers right down here. Just so cute. We get this complement set. I'll show you what's in this. They package everything so nicely, and then you've got the bags to put the pieces you haven't used back in, so you keep them clean and nice and easy to find. Okay, now here we've got some punch-out cardboard in all these different shapes. We've got Gimme Some Sugar and some banners, some cute little peaches, an oven mitt, and some words over here, and a border of hearts. I think there's another one here. Let's see. Yep. Then this one says Fine and Dandy. We've got some pretty flowers, a little mixing bowl, something to put your date if you're going to do some scrapbooking. And then here we have some craft colored. And these are like chipboard, and they're punch outs. We've got flowers and an oven mitt, more borders, the word peach. And then this one has more borders, and bless your heart, and sweet as a. And I can see that would go with the peach. And that's the complement set. Now, once again, just like in the Chelsea Gardens, they give you photo mats if you're going to use this for scrapbooking. And let's take a look at these cute papers. I love the colors in this. And these are double-sided. We've got the oven mitt and the mixer and a whisk and fork and knife. Here's a fork, knife, and spoon, mixing bowl. Really cute. Then on the other side, we've got these gorgeous flowers. And look at that sweet little gingham border up there. This is white with little tiny pink polka dots. And then wood grain, which I love wood grain. You can do so much with it. And then a border of flowers. This is words. We've got coffee, tasty treat, love, sugar and spice, delicious, yum, eat your greens, kiss the cook, oregano cake. Just really, really cute. And then this is a pink and white design with this cute floral border. This is like a pillow ticking stripe. Love that. And this pretty teal with white dots all over it. And this border has words. Delicious, yum, gimme some sugar, happiness is homemade, sugar and spice, kiss the cook and tasty treat. Then we got a cute floral, pink with white and green flowers. And then a beautiful teal gingham and a nice orange and white border that coordinates. And then you get this sheet that's got all your rectangles, and they'll go in a landscape or portrait mode. So you can use them for pocket page scrapbooking. You can put them on your regular scrapbook pages, or you can use them on card fronts. They're so pretty. And there's a cute diagonal stripe border. And you get 2 of each of these double-sided papers. Now this one's called Gimme Some Sugar. Okay guys, this workshop your way is called Stargazer. And just like with the other one, it's got this pamphlet that comes with it. Got cute little borders, and it tells you how to cut them. And once again, it's got the cutting guide for your papers so that you can do these really cute scrapbook layouts. These are just adorable. Love them. And then, of course, you've got these cute cards in the back. And it tells you how to cut your papers for those as well. There's one more on the back. We've got some ribbon. This is kind of a silvery gray grosgrain ribbon. I really like that. And then we've got Stargazer dots. We have red, navy blue, and yellow. Love those too. And we've got the photo mats if you're going to do some scrapbooking with this kit. And then here's the complement set that goes along with this Stargazer kit. Oh, this is really cute. I love these bright colors. We've got awesome. Now, these are the stickers. We've got a border. There's a planet, a heart, a rocket ship, an arrow. And then we've got some hexagons. The right stuff. I love you to infinity. I really love that one. Then this one says wonderful. With another border. We've got a ticket to adventure. An awesome meter. Aren't these cute? Just adorable. Oh, look. And these punch-outs are in silver and black. We've got smile, a moon, some circles, hearts, hexagon. Love this. There's a rocket ship. Hashtag epic. These would make some cute cards or pages. And then this is not black but navy blue. One of a kind. And some more spaceships, hashtag cool, and we've got some more planets and stars. Just adorable. Now this is the complement set that comes with it. Now let's look at these papers. These are really cute. This one has the spaceship with the little astronaut all over it. Adorable. Planets, the moon, and then this side has telescopes, and then here is your border that's got the moon in different phases. That's really cute. Let me put these back underneath so I can get to them easier. Here we are again with the moon in different phases on this pretty blue background. Cute border of spaceships, and this is like what you look at like the astrological map of the sky that's got all the constellations. That's really neat. Then this looks like the surface of the moon, or what I would imagine it looks like. We'll flip this one over. Oh, this is blue with all the planets, and I love the blue and white diagonal border. We've got a red and white diagonal paper. These are all double-sided. Then this is a nice print. It looks like a maze. And I love this border. It's like the stars and the planets. A gray background with spaceships. This cute polka dot border. And then this is like a yellow and white grid. And then we have this sheet that also is in portrait or landscape that you can use for pocket scrapbooking, regular scrapbooking, or the front of your cards. This kit is just adorable. And this also comes with some cardstock. We've got some white and some yellow cardstock with this one. Now guys, while you're over at Linda's Close to My Heart site picking up your Gimme Some Sugar and Stargazer kits, don't forget to pick up the coordinating stamp and die sets. They will make your layouts and your cards so cute and super easy. I don't know if you can see that die set. There we go. The lights are glaring. But thanks for coming by today, guys. I'm going to leave you a link to Linda's Close to My Heart site. And thank you so much, Linda, for sending me these wonderful kits so that I could share them with everybody and get to play with them myself. They're super cute, and I can't wait to make some cards. So I'll be back in a few days, guys, and we're going to have some cards to do with these cute, cute kits. So I will see you again soon. Bye now.